Momentum burst is the tendency of the market to move in the direction of buying or selling, which has happened in a short period of time. Now, in this particular example, you see that this stock had a first leg. After that, it went sideways for 10 to 12 days. And after that, 3 days ago, there was a buying which came in. And if you have a scan to find these kind of buyings, then you'll find a stock like this. Now, once this buying came in, more buying came in. And as a result of this, you will see that this stock went up for next 2 days, and in 2 days after this buying it made a move of around 16%. Every year hundreds of stocks moves are going to happen like this, which will meet a similar kind of a criteria, and swing traders try and find and trade moves like this. In order to do this successfully, you need to understand this setup, study hundreds of example of this setup, set up a scanning criteria and find them on the first day, and then when you buy it on the first day, hold them for 3 to 5 days, and they will make typically 8 to 20%. This is a commonly used method by many swing traders. So if you are interested, try and investigate and make this kind of a trading part of your daily routine.